guys, what's up? It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with my BFF. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, take two.
You literally just punched this metal vanity. Are you okay?
Let's go again.
Jeez.
I'm a soldier.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with Christina. She's my best friend from Australia. She's been with me for 2 weeks now, and she's still here for another 2 weeks, but, you know, I'm trying to film as much as I can with her because I never know when I'm gonna see her. So today we're going to be filming a video that we've been wanting to film for the longest time, since the last time she was here, a year ago, and it is the yoga challenge. I know it's kind of like over, everyone's done it already.
So
like it's
excited.
It's literally been a thing for a while, but we've been wanting to do it for the longest time. She picked out the photos, I haven't even seen them yet, I'm kind of nervous. Are they hard?
Yeah. I don't know how many pictures people usually do, but
we're gonna fall or something.
We picked out 8. This is so funny. I don't know whether we should start off easy or just crack into it.
No. Let's start easy and then as a warm-up because I haven't even stretched yet.
Should we stretch first?
No, forget it. It's too much work. So we're gonna put all the photos right here and you'll be able to see them all.
Alright, the first one. This one.
That's the easiest one.
That's really easy.
2.
We just did that before. Who's gonna go on the bottom?
I will. I'll carry
on the bottom.
Yes. Okay. Play. Like that.
Yeah. It's not just a normal one where I'm holding your hands. I'm actually like Superman up. Come this way a little more. Back. This way.
Okay, go. Look at my toes.
Ew!
Where?
Here.
Your spleen? Go.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
But bend your legs.
Bend.
Have you never done this before?
No.
Ready? 1.
Oh, I think you're gonna throw up on me.
Ready?
Go.
Push me up and go. Something just popped in my ear.
Oh,
You go down. Push up on 3. 1, 2, 3.
No!
There you go. You do. You go. No.
It hurts. Put this under your butt.
Ready?
There you go.
Look how happy they look. Okay.
Yeah, they've probably been doing it for 10 years.
Hold my hands
Steven.
first, and once you're up there, let go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No! I can't. Forget it. I give up.
I'm not doing that one.
Let's try me one more time. Imagine I do a run up.
No. You'll go with that.
1, 2, 3. You need to push your arms straight. 2, 3. Yeah, ready? Ready?
This is the last try. We have to move on. I'm sweating.
Yeah, same. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and okay.
Literally, that's the closest anyone gets to that one.
That's it. Second one.
Are you? No way.
Look at the guy.
I'm pulling you.
Let's be realistic. It's not a counterbalance. It's all in your glutes and your quads.
Okay, ready?
And you grab my leg.
How? There's no way.
It's easy. You lean back.
Okay, start
lean
falling
forward.
forward. How did she go far out like that?
Because he's leaning.
No, maybe start from the ground up.
Okay.
Okay, you know what I mean? Okay. Yeah.
But my foot has to be on yours.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah. And then I'll start pulling
my leg.
Okay, yeah, go. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, we got it!
That was it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, next one.
Holy Jesus.
You're doing the hands. No.
Why do I always have to?
She's like a ballerina / dancer acrobatic person. I'm not.
Alright, okay. Alright, we got it. It's fine.
I can't even bend my back like that, but let's see what happens. I think I did this one with Corey and I fell and hurt myself. My knees. Ow! How about I just catch it normally and then I go
like
position?
swivel
Yeah.
around. Okay, ready? Oh God.
Dude.
Let's go. If we can't get this one, then we're moving on.
Okay, fine.
I really got lightheaded just then.
Oh God. Okay, wait, stay like that. Go!
Oh my God.
We got it! I really think we got it.
Well, you're finger is it? Okay, ready?
No. Christina, there's no way. I'm on the floor.
No way.
You can't.
I'm not doing everything that upside down. You're trying to get.
I can't. You're literally like a gymnast, like ballerina. I cannot do that. Ah, my knee just cracked.
Oh,
where are his
my head's
hands?
spinning.
Oh my God, his hands are on his sides. Yeah, no, but look at her other leg.
No, you should be facing this way because I'm up there facing the front. Your foot's here.
There's no way. There's no way.
Wait, where's her other? Her foot's up here. What? You gotta keep your legs straight.
It is straight.
Keep them up here like that. What are you doing with your legs?
Okay, wrap around.
I'm gonna go really quickly, okay? You're just gonna bump up and I'll get
No,
up.
you're gonna fall backwards. You're gonna kill yourself. Give me your other leg first.
Yeah, I'll give you my other leg. How? Franny? Her leg is up here, not on your...
No, get up there. Sit on my legs. Somehow.
I'm gonna paint myself. No, I can't do that
No,
one.
there's no way.
Sorry,
guys, I'm sorry, guys.
This one's just impossible. Okay, next one. We can do that.
Okay, you're the one on top. Give me this just in case I collapse. Give me the pillow.
No, this one's easy.
How is it easy? I'm gonna collapse under.
You just have to have a strong plank.
I don't have a strong plank. How about if I just like go like this?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We need to be higher because I can't get my head under there.
Oh, her head's under.
Yeah, you have to go.
How about if I just do this?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, let's do this because I
Ready?
cannot. Okay. Ah! Why did you give me a warning?
Okay, ready? I'm just gonna go. Whoop,
Go.
up. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Dude, her hands are not like.
Then her head's just dangling down there. Okay, ready?
Do not fall forward. You're gonna fall on all of the glass. Go maybe slowly. You doing it? Yeah. Okay. Ow. Okay. Good enough.
That's good enough. Whatever that was is good enough.
Yeah.
We lost brain cells.
I'm like sweating a lot right now. Can I get ice cream after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easy.
Can you bend your back like that? Because I can't. No way.
My head's your butt. Hold on. Go, push up.
Hold on.
Stop! Secure?
Yes.
I need to go back more. Ready?
Okay, go.
Oh my god, we're doing it!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Let go! God, we did it! Oh, I cannot believe we just did that.
Oh. And last one!
Last but not least. Dude. We both need pillows.
And we're both gonna need an Advil after that. We do 2 headstands. Should we just try and do it and see what happens?
Let's do headstands and then we have to like go at the same time. No, it's gonna be tragic.
I'll put my right leg forward, you put your left, so we like...
Okay, let me just see if I can do one. Hold on.
I'm definitely gonna black out on this one.
Oh my god, I can't even see my...
And then, I don't know what's gonna happen. Jesus Christ.
Go!
Okay, well what do I do from here?
Funny
Ready,
side
what?
first.
No.
Ah!
Are you up? Alrighty.
Ready?
See you up there.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ah! Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god.
How'd you tip over like that? My eyes are like blistering out of my head. Control. Mind over matter. Go. Go. I can't wait to watch this. No, yeah.
No way. I'm gonna end up in the hospital tonight.
I physically cannot do this any longer. I'm not a very flexible person. I'm athletic, but I'm not flexible or coordinated enough for this. It was so hard.
That was something else.
She also picked probably the hardest poses we could possibly do. Go big or go home, right?
Yeah, exactly. What we learned today is that couple yoga is definitely underrated.
I'm sweating. This is like a fleece, like literally fleece inside.
If you want to try this, maybe start off slow, maybe, you know, a simple...
Everything itches now. Alright guys, I hope you...
Sorry.
No,
Just out of it.
when I was upside down, my eyes felt like they were popping out.
I know, my eyes were like blood red, like bloodshot.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, we've been wanting to film this for the longest time. It's actually really fun. If you have a friend or your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, you want to do couples yoga, it's actually really funny just to try and do because it's very hard. Please leave a comment down below on what videos you would like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all can watch right away. Please do not forget to subscribe and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!